Okay, guys, be honest. Have you ever visited a store and instantly trusted it more just because you saw a familiar brand logo somewhere on the page? Yeah, that's exactly the power of social proof. Today, we're adding this trust badges section to your store. And honestly, it's such a simple way to build instant credibility, whether you want to show off press mentions, partner logos, or brands you worked with. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Trust. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where all your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down here. And there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and just like that, the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once it's ready, click on Add Section, search for Trust, and select that section. It'll be added instantly. Now here you can see the same logos that were shown in the demo section are already added here as a reference, but let's replace them with our own SVGs, the ones I've already downloaded. But first, let's check exactly how much customization this section actually offers. This is great. You can customize pretty much everything here. Let's start by changing the background color. We'll go with white, and let's set the text color to black. Now let's add the logos we downloaded earlier. You can actually add SVGs directly here. I don't have my own client SVGs ready, so I'm just adding these to show you how it works. But you can replace these with your own client, customer, or brand logos and names. After adding all the images, let's check if the hover effect is working properly on them. Now, here's another important option. You can add a direct link to your customer's, client's, or partner's website. Or if you have an e-commerce store, you can even use this to showcase your own products and link them directly. This section can genuinely be useful for a lot of different setups. Once you're happy with everything, let's hit save and check it out in view mode. All right, guys, just drop a comment below and let me know. In under 5 minutes, how much do you think this section actually enhances the overall look of the store? I genuinely love to hear your thoughts.